Damn, dude. Shit. Damn. Yeah, what's up, Griffin Trade? So far, so good. We had a rough start last night. A rough start. Probably probably one of my worst nights in a while. Um, I don't know. I was kind of stupid last night. Um, but um, I guess I needed that to kind of humble me a little bit. I got that first target hit. That first target hit. Got that gold scale in. That's working right now. Got my gold trade working. All my trades is going to be taken in one account this week. Uh, the competition account. Like last night, I just started off stupid. I shorted the lows. I didn't even I kind of just jumped into the trade. I didn't even look at the charts or anything, which I don't know why I did that, but um, I paid for it last night. I could have had a nice opportunity to go long, but I chose to go short. Just jumped in, didn't look at the charts last night. Lost 11K. Um, I brought it back to 7, so I mean I'm only down 7 now, but uh, I should be up, 5K right now. But I mean I can make this back. I mean I can always get the money back. It's just the fact that I made a stupid mistake like that. Um, and it's just a stupid mistake, you know, just a stupid mistake. I don't need no reset today, so I mean I'm not. I mean I guess I could just pull up the MFF stream and kind of listen to it, or not listen to it, but kind of see what guess. I mean, I guess I could pull it up. I guess I don't need no reset or nothing, and I don't want their eval to funded accounts. I don't want that. But I mean, we got two good trades. So far we got that trade on the Nasdaq, and we got this trade on gold. It was a nice setup too, man. It was a nice, beautiful setup. All right, so yeah, I'm down. So I was down 12K. I brought it back to 77K right now. Um, I guess I can get this money back. It's just I just hate the fact that I have to. I just hate that. But all right. So yeah, so I saw the setup on gold, and I was like, you know what? I was gonna go and take this long, but I was like, you know what? They failed, and the biggest thing for me last night was that I jumped into gold like she was the Nasdaq. Like I don't know why I do that. I don't know why. I don't know why. But I have anyway, gold, she showed me last night that she's not the Nasdaq and I paid for it. She showed me she was not the Nasdaq. High 312.6. It's like, yeah, let me stay in this, man. Let me stay in this. Let me stay in it. Let me stay in it. Let me stay in this. 3041. Three oh eight five. All right. All right. I mean, if gold keeps on going for me, this would be absolutely beautiful, That would mm, okay. All right. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. I mean, like I said, this was a beautiful trade. Beautiful trade. Beautiful setup. It just mm, okay. Oh my god, gold. Why? Oh, that's oh my god. Oh no. Oh no. No, no, why? Oh man. Oh man. Ah, gold. Why? I was going to move my stop up a little bit, but I was like, kind of learned my lesson last night about moving my stop. Oh man, gold. Why? Why? Okay. All right. Yeah. Okay. All right. So the Nasdaq went to 20. Mm. So we got a range right here on the Nasdaq. We got a range right here. We got a range right here. Uh, I'm gonna buy into this range. Okay. Hmm. Let's look at the ES real quick. Uh, like I said, I really don't need no reset, and it's not like my funded futures be saying anything that I don't know already. Mm. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna kind of wait patiently for a potential double bottom here. We'll see if the bulls are going to buy this. If not, if I get stopped out, I'm going to sell the retest. All right. You had DLL trading gold? Hey, yo, what's up, gang weight? God damn, dude. Damn. Mm. All right, man. All right. Okay, that's as far as I'm willing to go on this. Okay. Man, you keep deviating from me. I don't know why. Mm. No, I went to sleep last night. Mm. 20% off resets? No, they can keep that shit. Now we want free resets, not paid resets. They can keep that. It ain't free. We don't want it. What's the point? 20% off a reset? Get the fuck on out of here with that. Mm. I mean, I missed the opportunity with gold. I missed this opportunity. Uh, mm. All right, let me see. 525. Okay. If this thing blasts above 525, I'm gonna get out of this. But I'm gonna get out and flip short or and flip long if it blasts above 525. Because either the bears hold that and we see a move down, or we're gonna see the bulls blast up. And honestly, it's looking like we're gonna probably see a blast if the bulls don't hold this. Or if the bears don't hold it. Yeah. Yeah. Mm. Okay. Hmm. I can't help but think that this could be a trap for bears, but ES, that's the first leg, so this could be a second leg on ES. Yeah, just like you said, Griffin Trade, this is definitely 50-50 right here. But honestly, I don't trust bears, so shit. Honestly, I think the 50-50 might actually be in the damn in the Bulls' favor here, honestly. So it's about like 2.5 contracts right here. I mean, gold is holding, so mm, yeah, price is consolidating in this range. Mm. No, this is not my live account. This is the competition account that mm, that I'm down almost 10K in. I did have it down to 7 and I brought it right back to 10. Being foolish, not stopping out. Yeah, honestly, we're back in this range. We had price take the liquidity underneath the range. The bulls found support at the bottom. So this is where all their stops are. This is where all the bulls' stops are. And obviously, this is where all the bears' stops are. But we had the bears failing to push this thing lower. They failed to, reject that thing off of it. And now, yeah, I'm gonna take the long here. Look at gold. Gold. My God. Damn, man. How did I freaking look at, oh my God. Look, oh my God, dude. All right. So that's the breakout. Can we get a pullback, gold? Please. Please. Can we get a pullback? Please. For the ones that missed out. For the ones that missed out, can we get a pullback? Are we coming back up into this range? So you know what? I'm gonna make a bet right here. As we are coming back into this range. You got the breaker structure down. I'm gonna make a bet that I'll make the bet that we can probably see a pullback, probably back down here. All right. What account did you hit DLL on last night, Alfred? On the MFF account or something? 50K, dude. Man, I missed that gold. Look at that move on gold. Look at that move on gold. All right, so we got the breakout. So shit, Nasdaq, what the hell are you gonna do? Chop in this range? I mean, if we see a break of this range, if we see a break, I mean, we could potentially see, a big move a big move down from here, potentially. What's it, 370, around 370. Right around back to that low, huh? Right around back to that low. Okay. So we could actually potentially, we could see the short here. A measured move would be right back down to this low right here. I mean, you already got the bears, or you already got the bulls all trapped, the ones that haven't taken their profits, or they haven't stopped out, especially the ones that are up here. I would hate to be a bull up here, hoping for price to come back to my break even. Oof. Yeah, honestly, this could be a short, but mm, I think potentially we could see a move up here. Potentially, we could see it. Probably the R1. Yeah, she is super tight right now, trading in this tight range. I don't know. I gotta expand the range out a little bit. Look at ES. ES hit a level, man. I wasn't even paying attention. I was like, damn. It's like ES be low key hitting levels and stuff. Hmm. All right, am I in this short with gold? Yes, I am. Yes, I am. All right, so let's see what happens here with gold. Let's see what happens here with gold. Let's see if we can get a pullback back into this area right here. And quick, quick. Like, man, it's like, dude, like these stop. Okay. All right. So, all right. That tells me all I need to know about this. We could be going for them lows. We could be going for them lows now. Unless the Nasdaq wants to fake out here. Damn. Yo, what the hell? Mm, I gotta put this stuff back on. All right. So, I mean, I would have got triggered in this. Hmm. Mm, okay. Uh-oh, that's a mistake. Hmm. Bro, what the actual fuck? Oh my god. Dude, what is going on today, man? What is going on today? I have not taken a winning trade at all today. What the hell? What the hell, man? Okay. Mm. 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 Uh, mm. All right, well. Uh-oh, that's the mistake. I mean, I know better than to trust bears here. I know better than to trust bears. I know better than that. Okay, gold is on a freaking tear right now, dude. What the hell? That shit is ripping past supply and everything. It's not even stopping. This thing is just going. It's not even stopping at all. Mm. This thing is not stopping at all. It's not even pulling back. Gold, what the fuck? Fine, fine, fine. Fuck it. Since fine, fuck it. God damn. Since this thing just going super fucking long. Fine. Man, shit, the longs ain't going. And the shorts ain't gonna work, so shit. Fuck it. This is why I have a hatred now towards Nasdaq. I just hate trading her now. Just have a hatred trading this instrument now. Nice. 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 Mm. Bro, like, dude, no way. All right, man. This is pissing me off. Oh my God, this is pissing me off. That is pissing me off. Oh, that's pissing me off. What the fuck? You know what? Ugh. Okay, fine. This thing wants to go along. Fine, fine. This thing is just going along. Fine, fine. It's not even pulling back anymore. This shit is just going. I guess it only pulls back when I get in long. Mm. All right, man. You know what? Mm. Man. Dude, what the fuck? Where's my stuff? Whoa, my God. Oh my God, dude. Seriously? Seriously? Mm. Seriously? Uh, mm, mm. And we know how this game is played. We know we know how it's played. Our break even was going to be resistance. It never fails. It never fails. That shit never fails, dude. It never fails to play as resistance. All right, man. Nothing special. Hmm. So, Gold, you're not going to show me no type of love this week, huh? No love this week. No love at all. Ever since last night, I guess I just haven't been seeing gold, I guess. Guess I haven't been seeing gold. Man. Okay. Let me see if they'll let me do it. All right, man. Seems like nothing wants to hold lows or anything. Gold doesn't want to break down. Nasdaq doesn't want to break down. Nothing wants to break down. Everything wants to get wants to be held up. Oh, man. You know what? Now that oh man, yeah. All right. Okay. I gotta trust on the Bears breaking. I gotta trust on the Bears breaking the trend line. I mean, that's obviously a mistake. Trusting the Bears to break a trend line. Mm, mm, okay. Well, I think gold is gonna break my heart here. Uh, no, congratulations on that, Alfred. Uh, I mean, we got a double top. So I mean, this is gold. This is not Nasdaq. So I mean, we got a double top. It should break down, but uh, and of course, this is kind of why I don't like trading Nasdaq. I can't scale into the position. I have to have, I have to buy into it or sell into it as it goes higher, and buys into it as it goes lower. If I don't get a scale in, adding in at the bottom is suicide. She does, you know, whatever, man. Yeah, okay. It's my fault. As always, it's my fault. It's my fault. It's my fault. It's my fault. As always, it's my fault. Mm. You said your entry is at 33.22, so he was in for a while. Mm. Yo, congratulations on that entry, man. Nice pullback. Did you get that trade off of the Bollinger Bands? What made you get into that trade? It says gold gamma levels. Hmm. You say you got in at 33.28. Mm. Well, yeah, I'm looking at the level right now, and yeah, Alfred is right. That thing projected perfectly off, or rejected perfectly off of this gamma level, and got a perfect bounce off of that one. Mm. Trying to figure out what the hell did I miss. Yeah, I mean, I guess today they're just gonna make bears wait, man. If you're a bear, you're gonna have to wait. If you're a bear, they're just gonna make you wait today. Ugh. And this is why I don't trade my live account, because I can have really good days and then just out of nowhere, I can just lose so much money to the point to where it's like, how did I lose all this money? Where did I go wrong? What did I misread on the charts? I mean, I lost over half the account of sim money. And I'm already reevaluating my life right now. If I lost that my real money, oh man, that wouldn't have been that's not fun. All right, so at least we got the trend line break. It just seems like for whatever reason, it's like, I don't know. I'm not seeing the market right now. I feel like I am. I feel like I would take trades that I would normally take. I know I started off oversizing with gold. I know that I'm trying, like mentally, I'm trying to get my money back mentally. But I mean, for the most part, uh, I don't know why I'm letting gold chop me up the way that it's chopping me up right now. I mean, we had a perfect trade right here. Perfect trade. I love this trade. I wish it kind of came back to where I had my limit at. All right, Nasdaq. All right. I mean, we got the trend line break. Are you going to shoot past the trend line and hit my break even or what? Mm, dancing around that first target. My stop didn't even come down. Maybe I didn't hit it. All right, so I got my first target hit. Put my other target in profit. I mean, even though my break even is right here, this is not my break even. You see, that wasn't my break even. I mean, that's just the one thing that you gotta be very mindful of about NinjaTrader 8 is that it's like a first in, first out system. So if you scale into a position, first in, last out, your break even will adjust based on targets. That means gold probably pushed back up. Yeah, I'm not too worried about that. I mean, it kind of finished the measured move, but I think Nasdaq is going to try to take out that low. I think it's destined to take out that low. This low right here. Yeah, I think that's good right there. Well, that's definitely a break, pullback. So we should see this thing run now. We should see it run. We should see it run. Because that's the break. That's the break right there. Breaker structure, pullback. We should see this thing run now. Because this ain't NASDAQ, this is gold. This is not NASDAQ, this is gold. So we're not going to see a random bounce, especially if it breaks structure. Or it's highly unlikely that we see a random bounce, especially when it breaks structure. I'm not surprised by this. I'm not surprised by that. I'm just thankful that the NASDAQ was merciful to me and hit my targets before doing this crap. All right. Yeah, look at that, dude. Look at that, man. All right. All right. So let's see. We got two trend lines that the Bulls are gonna have to break through, and the Bears are gonna have to defend. I mean, you got this trend line that's coming up. You got this trend line that's coming down. And I think right here at this, obviously at the center right there, is where the Bears are gonna have to hold and the Bulls are gonna have to break through. So I mean, Hmm. Game when it says people are trying to long both the Nasdaq and the NQ. And gold, I don't know why. I don't know why. I don't know why. I don't know why you couldn't just finish the move down before this pop. Nice. All right. All right. So they kind of got it. You know what, man? Let me see if I can kind of get a base hit here. Because I mean, they sold that. But man, I just don't trust the Bears, man. Not even for a base hit. Not even for a base hit, I don't trust them. Okay, well, I guess I'm gonna have to trust them. Nasdaq, are you gonna finish me off or what? Looks like she's gonna play around with it the same way gold did. Ugh. 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 All right. Wow. Gold says you didn't take your profit, so I'm gonna take mines. Yeah, I don't know, man. I don't know, man. I really don't know what the hell is going on today. I don't know why. I mean, I know I made a mistake last night. I mean, I get that, but apparently it's carrying over until today. Apparently. Yeah. Okay. Apparently it's carrying over until today. Yeah. Okay. All right. Well, I mean, if we don't see a rejection here, I'm gonna have to close this for a freaking loss. Oh yeah, I honestly I forgot about that. I forgot about that. Mm, Forgot about that. Nasdaq still playing with it. Come on, finish it off. Finish it off. Hit that target. There we go. All right, man. All right. All right. That should kind of take off some of this loss with gold. If it comes to that, which is going to probably come to that. Yeah, whenever. I mean, as I back tested gold, gold sells off more than they buy it. But when they buy this thing, man, it just Man, yo, it's hard to short this thing, man. They just keep buying and it just keeps going. You know what? All right. I mean, are they gonna break through this high too? I mean, or is this thing gonna miss me completely? I don't know. Fuck that, man. Yeah. Yeah, she definitely is, man. Yeah, I'm looking at the RSI now. I mean, she ain't playing no kind of games right now. Uh, yeah, I'm not seeing gold right now. Well, let me see if I can get it. Let me see if I can kind of get a base hit. Well, it's coming into my um no, I'll leave it alone. I'll leave this alone. I'll let it kind of play out. All right, so let's see if we can kind of get this thing to fill these orders. He says, "Hey, all right, so we'll see what happens here. This will probably be my last trade for the day. This will be my last trade in both Nasdaq and gold. Now I just have to come back later on tonight. I literally lost more than half of the account in less than 24 hours. In less than 24 hours, I lost more than half of the account. I brought it back to 7K and then I lost 7K. I don't like, dude, I don't know. I don't know what the hell is going on. I really don't. I don't know what the heck is going on. I mean, I can take a loss, but man, I lost so much money. And nothing happened today, and that's the crazy thing. It's nothing happened that would justify me losing this much money. I mean, I lost a lot of money just fighting gold, but gold is a bad bitch. She fights you back, apparently. If you fight the trend on gold, she fights you back. And there will go your account. I mean, mm, I just want gold to do the things that I want her to do, damn it. Like finishing me off and hitting my damn targets instead of touching my break even. Mm, yeah, I'm not even gonna try to do that. Uh, mm, yeah, it needs to be my last trades for the day on both Nasdaq and gold. Nasdaq and gold. Okay. All right. We'll see if the bulls will step up here. We'll see if they step up here. They finally got that move down. We finally took the liquidity underneath this low. We came back until this range. I mean, unless the bulls completely give it up here, I mean, this should be the reason why we see maybe a pullback. Maybe. I mean, you're just kind of asking for it at that point. Hmm. Yeah, definitely will, Investor Z. Yeah, that's exactly right, Alfred. That's exactly right. I want it quick. Where is Friday's lows at? Yeah. Well, mm, I mean, either. I mean, I can't even. 285. I mean, that would be too much. Come on, gold. Stop being like that. Stop being like that. Damn. Mm. If it kind of goes past this limit, then I'm gonna have to close for another loss. Been having a lot of those lately for whatever reason. All today. Nothing but losses. Mm. ES is about to come into an area of support. Mm. Let's see what they do here. They might just knock this thing back down, but mm, Mm. 305, huh? I mean, we got a pop from here. So obviously the stops will be underneath this low right there. The only question is are they going to be, we could see a pullback here, but I think this was the pullback. I think that was the pullback. I mean, that's the pullback right there. We'll see what happens here. Come on, Nasdaq. You ain't had to do that. I kind of had a feeling that just to go short here, just short there. And I had a feeling just go short there at that high. And can I grab my limit? All right. So I want to see what they do here at that Nasdaq. You can be merciful here. Damn it, you bitch. You ain't had to do that, man. You can keep going, Nasdaq. I think if I don't look at gold, because gold is definitely going down, but she's going to keep trying to pop at that range. I think instead of just dropping. Mm, No, I'll just keep it there. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about, gold. That's what I'm talking about. Keep going just like that. Keep going. I'm going to trail my stop on gold. I don't got time to babysit this position. All right, that's cool. I'll take that. I'll take that on gold. I just don't have time to babysit the position. I'm already kind of late already. I just want to get this base hit, and that'll be done. And just let the rest of this thing run. He says, if I look at gold, it's gonna probably be okay. You know, like I said, I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done in gold today, or at least until later on today. I'm done. I'm not even gonna look at the charts or anything. I'm just gonna kind of reflect on what the hell happened today. There's a lot happened. A lot has happened. Don't know what the heck happened, man. I'm literally started back. So I'm literally back at where I started. Yeah, look at that. See, and that's what I'm talking about. Gold, you didn't have to pull back. No, I gotta accept that. I gotta accept that, man. I gotta accept that. So I'm not gonna babysit that trade. I actually gotta get. I just want to get this target hit, and that's it. And then I'll just let this trade play out. Yeah, I'll just do this for like five more minutes. I think ES probably bounced. Yeah, it bounced right at that range, just a little bit before it too. It bounced right at that range. Well, we're about to see if this is a range on the Nasdaq. We're about to see if this is supply. Okay, that makes me feel better. I mean, my target would have got hit. Well, would it got hit? Yeah, I think it would have got hit, but gold is trending down. Gold is trending, especially if you can get an entry like right here, and see how it reacts. Gold is trending. Uh, You say you were long with a tight stop? And let's see what it does here. I mean, I know the RSI is like right there, but maybe I should wait for the, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna see what happens here. Because it's literally, we gotta break a structure. We got the drop, and this is potentially the pullback right here. So we could see it go a little bit higher, but it could drop. Like fucking Nasdaq right there on that range. Man. Kind of get tired of your bullshit, NQ. Kind of getting tired of your bullshit, man. Hmm. Hmm. You can see that they're selling into it. They're already selling into it already. All right, whatever, dude. Let's see what they do here. If I can see a red candle here, I'll get into this short. I can see a red candle here. All right, I'm playing that short. I can handle two girls at the same time. I can deal with them at the same time. Just that they're both acting up right now. Especially Nasdaq. Like, why you acting like that for? 335. And I got like 5 more minutes. I got 5 more, actually 2 more minutes. And then I definitely got to go. And damn it. Come on, gold. Knock this thing down. I'm just gonna put that stop underneath that low. Well, I mean, I guess if they get it above that high, then uh, 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 mm, mm, okay. Okay. You almost had me there, Gold. You almost fucking had me. You almost had me. I thought I was gonna have to break up with you. Shit. God damn. You ain't had to do all that. I'm definitely gonna have to break up with Nasdaq, man. I'm gonna have to break up with her. I keep giving her chance after chance after chance, and she just won't change. Unlike my baby Gold here. God damn. She keeps trying to go for my stops and stuff instead of going to my damn targets. All right, man. All right, Gold. All right. All right. All right. 38, 32. I mean, we're getting buying. I mean, they're buying it in gold in Nasdaq. Man, Coke, can you just reject instead of playing around? Can you just reject and stay rejected? Shit. All right, let's see if we can get a breakout here. Dude, it's like that's all she does, man. That's all she freaking does. She'll come back. We don't need you to come back. We need you to go the fuck away. Her and Nasdaq do that same stupid shit. All right, man. Come on. Break above that high, man. 385. Yeah, okay. So that's the rejection. Gold should be making its way down. It should. It should. That is definitely the rejection right there with gold. That is definitely a rejection. I wish I had more contracts so I can add to this shit. But I'm almost full port on gold right now. That is definitely a rejection right there. We got a big move down. They're rejecting it. They're rejecting it off the 50 and 21. There is no, I mean, unless we get some news or a big green FU candle, the bears got this. It's just they're going to make them. Oh my God. You know what? Okay. Nasdaq. What's really good? Shit. Damn, girl. Damn. Push. Or get kicked off the team. Damn. But the bulls are definitely buying this for whatever reason in this area, even though we got a trend line coming down on gold. We got a rejection at that breaker structure. We got a trend line coming down. I have no clue why bulls are trying to buy this. Mm. Well, I'm gonna probably get out of this whole position on Nasdaq because at this point it's pissing me off. I mean, it's okay. We got a trend line coming up. They have been buying it at the trend line. This thing is kind of pissing me off now. The bears are definitely trying to sell this thing. Uh, if we get a close underneath this trend line, then I'm definitely gonna have to I'm just gonna close it for the $700 loss. Okay. Or at least I'm gonna try to. Man, gold playing around right now. Instead of just dropping like she knows she wants to. Because there is no way. Like this ain't the Nasdaq. There's no way that this thing breaks out after it just rejects like that. There's no way. All right, let me look at the Nasdaq. Let me look at a higher time frame chart. I mean, that's a nasty hourly candle. That is a nasty hourly candle right there. I mean, I can understand why the bulls are or the bears are aggressively selling this thing, but gold is really dancing at my break even. Like it's literally hovering at my break even. Crazy. Crazy. All right. So, I mean, Nasdaq is still doing that same crap with the trend line. Either stay above it or reject off it, damn it. shit, the way gold looking. I mean, I guess if it doesn't reject off this trend line, I'm gonna have to unfortunately stop out of this damn trade with gold. These bulls are just being kind of regarded right now. They're kind of being regarded right now, both on the Nasdaq and gold. Shit, both of the like, dude. It seems like the price action is just the same on both. You got the bears trying to sell it, and the bulls are being regarded. They're both trying to buy the damn thing. It's the same price action. You got a big move down, and the bulls are trying to aggressively buy it as the bears are trying to aggressively sell off the trend line. You know what, gold? All right, man. All right. At this point, I'm kind of over this position. I'm kind of over it. I'm kind of tired of the back and forth on both gold and Nasdaq right now. Kind of over it. I mean, we got a rejection right here. Okay. I'm kind of over it. All right. That's gonna be it for me today, guys. Today was a horrible, horrible day for me. Horrible. This is probably one of my worst trading days that I've had in a long time. I don't know what the hell is going on today, but it happened. A lot of it was my fault. A lot of it was my fault, but then at the same time, a lot of it was just the market just being crazy. Because both the Nasdaq, I mean, shit. You know what? Damn it. All right, guys. Damn, dude. So I couldn't get this on. Hmm. Mm. Seriously? Seriously? Like, come on. Ugh, I'm so tired of this shit. So tired of it. I'm so tired of it, man. I'm so tired of it. So tired of it. Tired. Tired of it. So tired of it. All right. I'm kind of done. All right. All right, guys. That's it. I'm done. I'm seriously done. I'll come back later on tonight. We'll look for more ways to earn this money back. God damn. And with that said, peace out, everybody. Peace.